Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Our project title is Benchmarking Probabilitication Deep Learning Method for License Plate Recognition. Our project abstract this is the main objective of this work is license plate recognition method. So learning the based on algorithm automatically we have find out that the license plate recognition immediately and then assumption based on the training and testing data set or well alignment. So this may be the under determined environment condition in the foreign application. So the system cannot to train for the specific device. The prediction such as out of distribution images increase the change of falling, but this failure case recognition the human operator or automated system. Hence this proposed we have model to the uncertainty of license plate recognition immediately. So detect the fault detection and then predict the license plate number, and then using this license plate detection automatically we are using the AI method based on the deep learning algorithm, CNN algorithm, convolution neural network algorithm wise we have predict your model. Our project flow chart is first we have collecting the license plate images data set. So we have collect in the Kaggle website. After that we have carry out for the image pre-processing step. The image pre-processing wise is based on the two step. One is a image resize method, another one is the noise removal. So in your collecting that the image the different pixel size we have resized the 250 cross 256. After that we can that the any noise in the image we have reduced the noise process. After that the data splitting process. Data splitting wise in your data set, so we have splitting that the 80% of training and 20% of testing. After that the classification algorithm. Classification means we are using the automatic prediction for the test data. So we have using the deep learning with 3 algorithm, but we can use on the CNN algorithm, convolution neural network algorithm. Finally we have predictor. So we have input your text data. One image is automatically predict your license plate number, and performance analysis we are calculated. Accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix. This performance matrix we are calculating for the performance analysis system. First we can open your Google Colab drive. First we have importing your library functions. After we have selected the one image data. After we have loading the display for the image. So this is a callback based on the license plate number. So after the grayscale conversion, this is a binary image to the gray conversion image. After the pre-processing step we have resized the 0 to 225 means it's 256 method. So this method wise we have reduced the method. So first we have recognition you are the bounding box method. After that the cropping method. So cropping based on the bounding box we have the license plate will be cropped. So after the binary conversion only we have cropped that your model. So in your image we have cropped that your license plate number. So after the data augmentation we have trained the model. So we have trained it. We get the loss for 0.0019 percentage, and the accuracy we get the 99.42 percentage. So this is the epoch of accuracy plot. So after that finally we have deduct your license plate number. And performance analysis we are calculating for your accuracy, losses, everything.